Hello mga ka-stars, magandang buhay. So today we are going to show you a video presentation with regards to the COT of my co-teacher, Mr. Illustrissimo, about research. So let's go and learn.
Add text. Insert shape. Pagkahuman, right click dito sa shape, add text. I-type to nimo imong answer key. Then pagkahuman, i-flip nimo siya para mobali ang iyang mga kuan. Mura.
Flip to nimo ang text box.
Second, it will design qualitative and quantitative research, and lastly, you will applicate the beauty of quantitative and qualitative research. Okay. We have discussed many topics in a month, but yesterday we had discussed something. And before we are going to do the concepts of our topic today, we have a review on our topic that we have discussed yesterday. So I will divide the class into two groups, and this will be our activity. Our activity class is you are going to construct this certain picture that was cut. This is a, shall we say, a picture puzzle. No time constraints that we are going to do, but I will just give you 2 minutes. Miss Rewelyn, please pick up that certain page so that you can share with your group. How about that young ladies at the back? Please participate. Join in this group, and
Yes, sir.
Miss Bernardes join.
Yes, sir.
Group. Then you are going to pause at your side. Lagi ang ano? Lagi mo na. Paano mo talino eh? Share. Do not assure your very good attitude, class.
Sorry, sir. Sir, we're almost done.
Okay, please post your result at your side. Yan sa dingding ka na may post-it ka sa i-post.
Sir, pwede man dito sa center, sir.
Post.
Sa center na, sir.
Okay, here. Bilis.
Sir, there's sir, cleanliness. 50% cleanliness.
Kaman dapit. Pero matangkang.
There you. There.
Diri ka lang eh, para di matangkang ang instant.
Okay, sige, support na lang ma'am dito sa likod.
So, that,
Hey.
ang yan.
Thank you, class. Very good. Okay, very good activity that was conducted with the group. Okay, perfect construction of the puzzle. Miss Queenie, how did you construct the puzzle?
By connecting each dot, the edge of the paper.
Very good. That's one good tip. In constructing a puzzle, you are going to connect the cut edge of the picture of the puzzle picture. Okay, very good. Now, yesterday we have discussed the independent and dependent variable. So, if you are going to observe, the independent variable picture is being preparation. And our dependent variable is the SBM validation. Okay? So those are the things that we have discussed yesterday. Now we are going to fasten our seatbelt and we are going to start flying. Okay, in connection to this topic, the independent and dependent variable. Let's see,
Kita ko Kristen Hermosa ah.
Okay. Okay. Yesterday we have discussed the independent variables. Everybody read.
Are those that are
Repeat. Go.
independent variables are those that are assumed to have
Effect on the dependent variable.
Then
The dependent variable, the criterion variable in that it is considered as an outcome.
if you have observed, the outcomes of that independent variable is being preparation, is the SBM validation. That is the outcomes. That is an independent dependent variable. Okay. Today, our topic. This certain research design before we are going to go deeper into this given content. Okay, another group we are going to divide the class into two, and the group at the back join the group in the front. Yung Kuya Fiat and Miss Bernardo's and Maria. I have her about words, and you are going to arrange that one. Arrange that termination into a title form and mark that one as it is either qualitative or quantitative research. Form that words into a title and classify that one whether it is qualitative or quantitative research. Please use the statistic to connect the classification of the title. The group that can construct it precisely will receive good points in your activity. Any group Please, pause beside your first activity. Miss Ria, ma'am, sa start state of your side. Ano po pilit-pilit na ng ma'am? Classified as qualitative or quantitative. Sino na kasi pangalan nila qualitative or quantitative ba? How about this group? What is your problem?
Very good. Very good.
Sir, they are row 4. Row 4, they are row 4, sir. Row 4.
The road that the speed their performance.
Uy, mga kuwan, pag na.
Okay.
May cardinal stop. Look at this, sir. Promise. Stars.
Take your time. You still have 1 minute to instruct the title. Go! Make it fast.
Recall na lang. Recall of classroom observation. Ayan. Mapalitin eh. Mapalitin. Mamatay.
Okay, finalize your answer. Finalize your answer. Okay, finalize your answer.
Sakto na eh.
Okay. Okay. Okay, the second group of instructed their title. Okay. This morning class, we will talk about the research design, in which it has two classification, the qualitative and the quantitative research. Okay, by the way, what is research design? So, research design must contain an adequate description and the appropriateness of the chosen research design for the solution of the problem. Furthermore, it should be described with sufficient clarity as to permit other researchers to replicate the study. What does it mean? That if you are going to create a research design, the description of your study must be appropriate to the research that you are going to do or to undergo. With clarity, which means it is a very clear description what are the things that you are going to do in your research, in your research. Okay? We have two classification, the quantitative and qualitative research. Quantitative research refers to the systematic empirical investigation of social phenomena via statistical, mathematical, or computational techniques. The objectives of quantitative research is to develop and employ mathematical models, theories, or hypotheses pertaining to phenomena. So, wrong din kayo atong mga kauban kung ingon ta diretso nga kung ingon ta quantitative, it deals with numbers. No. Quantitative research refers to the systematic empirical investigation. What does it mean? Kung ingon ta empirical, it is a clear observation that we had observed from our subject or to our respondents. What are the things that we are going to do? Those indicators that we have gathered from our respondents can be analyzed into statistical, mathematical, or any computational techniques. Ano siya quantitative? Pili lang tabigan of number because there are things that we assign numbers so that it can be solved. Like for example, 6, male or female. Dili na natin siya ma-solve. But if we are going to assign that numbers, can we say, male is 0, female is 1, and we can solve that through any computational techniques. Okay, there are 4 types of quantitative research design. First, descriptive, relational, quasi-experimental, and experimental research. Okay, descriptive statistics. This research design is concerned with the condition or relationship that exists, options that are called the process or processes that are going on, effects that are evident or trends that are developing. It makes use of the hypothesis formulation and testing. So, diniha sa ato ang descriptive statistics. There are things that we are going to consider, especially the hypothesis. Kaya mo man itong sukdon, we are going to measure that certain hypothesis and we are going to do an inferential question so that that certain hypothesis can be measured. Okay. Isa dito sa descriptive is assessment study. So this type of research describe the status of phenomenon. Or sa laptop yung pagka-istorya, gusto ko karon mag-promote yung mga teachers sa dapat ng assessment. Dili ra gyud basihan ang katong mga records, kung dili i-assess din siya dapat, no? Kung performance, extension, pero naman na dito sa tuwang ITCRF, kung may assessment dito nakabutang. Evaluation study. This study is designed to gather information concerning the effectiveness and efficiency of the program. Like for example, 2 years ago, the Nasipit National Vocational School had applied to have STEM and UMS. So, para mag-evaluate kung effective ba yun ang atong program, ang atong track, so there must be an evaluation study. Kung atong mga produce ng mga graduates are more efficient or effective in their selected course. Okay, that is one research study. Then the content analysis. So this study is focused on the analysis of the documents with the status of phenomenon at particular time or development over a period of time. So the sources of data are printed in forms of text and embedded academic works. Like for example, anong mag-focus ng tasapuan, SBM, what are those problems? So we can have a content analysis so that in the other way, or another time will come that there will be a, shall we say, another set of solution to do from this content analysis. Okay, we have heard the ex post facto. So this study is the effects of a treatment situation or event that are examined after the effect or occurred. So, ini siya nga research mo, ini siya pinakatumol na ginahimo sa mga researchers kay na siya yung pattern nga ginasunod. Example, teachers' educational attainment. Yan, i-connect na to sa teachers' teaching competence. Then, the students' academic performance. From this given descriptive type of research, the exposed factor study, atong makita din niya nga, uy, si teacher, mo niya hang expertise, niya haircuts, karon mo niya hang kuan subject, what will be the student's academic performance? Taas ba? Satisfactory? Moderately? Or low? Performance ng mga students. Then we have the correlational study. This study where 2 or more sets of data are collected from a group of subjects and the relationship is determined through educational attainment and mental ability. Or like for example, gusto na ta makahibalo kung ang ato ang teaching strategy na ba siya relationship dito sa students academic performance. Kung maaari ka mo tudlo, dako ka grado ang mga bata. Or other way around, wa ka nagtudlo, dako ka mo grado ang mga bata. Okay? So, we will know what is the relationship between the two given indicators. Okay. This is the criterion group or the comparative study. So this study where comparisons are drawn among the groups. Example, the net result, not from the school A, school B, and school C. So, kung hindi po ka maganda kung gusto research study in terms of comparative study. Okay. Those are the quantitative study. Here comes the qualitative research. Okay, everybody read.
Qualitative research
Is a form of inquiry that analyzes information conveyed through language and behavior in natural
settings. It is used
Use
to
factor
capture
expressing information and convey in quantitative data about beliefs, values, feelings, and motivations that underlie behavior.
Okay, thank you. Juan, can you expound that certain definition of qualitative research?
Okay, sir. Qualitative means from the word inquiry, you need to ask more continuous information about the topic or the said topic.
Okay, thank you. So, qualitative research from the word quality. We are going to focus the observed behaviors of our subjects because there are 4 methods of creating qualitative research. You have an interview, a focus group discussion, survey, but sa survey you are going to use open-ended question. Take note with that. Take note ka ba sa qualitative, hindi ka mo gamit ng open-ended questions and interview. Okay. The very common kinds of qualitative research is the case study. In case study, our respondents are pretty small. Case siya dapat, case na siya. Okay. This study is used to investigate an individual, a group of people, or an event. So may hitabo. So may hitabo sa SBN. Why is it that EMBS was out in the level 3 in the region? Okay. So case study, pwede naman mo siya case study. From that certain case study, you can create solution and you can tell the administration that these are the things that we are going to do para mabaling mo sa level 3. Okay? So this allows the researcher to broaden his understanding of the research subject and go beyond the surface. Makakamutan na dito, yung sa pinita, kung ano naman di ay. It may focus on an individual, an institution, or an event. Take note of that. Then, we have heard the grounded theory. Ang nagsal niya siya ginahin mo research, pero nakukunin mo ang niya. This study seeks to understand the social and psychological processes that characterize an event or situation. Kaya nga naman, gamay naman kayo ng karoon sa grounded theory. Mahal man. Kaya mamuha pag mga psychologian, mga sociologists, psychology, kana sila ng mga tao. Mahal man na sila bayad, gamay rin yung trabaho. As the researcher begins to gather data, 4 theoretical concepts are identified. Daghan kayo na sila tanawon, mga background nimo, medical, personal, tanan. Sila ipangutana sa inyo mga muna. Gamay na kayong trabaho, pero isa din siya sa qualitative research. We have the phenomenology or the phenomenon. This study describes the structures of experiences as they present themselves to consciousness without the recourse theory, deduction, or assumption from others. So, kung sa may buot ipasabot ani, so, you can gather some experiences through social development. Ito naman, Cambia J, sa social. Okay. So, kana siya gamit kayo na phenomenology. The focus is on the life experiences of individual. Take note with the word life experiences sa itong ilabay na. Ano yung na-experience gini mo at present? Ang karoon, pandemic. Kasi kayo. Lugay ang kota. Pero nagkatrabaho, wala na. Okay? The researcher should pay attention to these structures of meaning so that he can also understand the way in which people understand the world. Tingnan mo lang ikaw po, gusto po po ilahang situation. Kung isa ka ka-researcher about phenomenology, kaya naman, you cannot create a good result if there are conflicting ideas that will come along the way. Next, we have the ethnography. Ethnography. This study focuses on the sociology of meaning through the close-scale observation of socio-cultural phenomena. Okay. One of my classmates, ganang hindi siya mga tao, magsigig pa kayo, des lanihan, des merkado, bili na siya mga badyaw. Actually, hindi sila tanan badyaw. They are mamanwa. And she observed that mamanwa in Surigao City, Surigao del Norte, and mamanwa in Agusan del Norte are different. Why? Mamanwa in Surigao are working in the mining industry. While mamanwa in Agusan Norte, mas lang krasada. Dili ka naman magpuma, may kapoy, pero sila nagpuma. But what are the things that she observed in Surigao? The mamanwas in Surigao. Dili sila kapulan, they are not busy, but what she observed is, ang ref, dito mo kabinet, bago kayo mo ref. Ang washing machine, butang bugas, na-encourage sila mag-study. Nag-stay sila dito for almost 1 month. First week, dala sila mga inarton yung mga makakon. Engage sila community, nag-istorya dito sa kuhan, nag-halubilo, because their study depict the ethnography of the certain subject. Muna yung gusto makita. Nga gusto sila makahatapog, isa gamay na lang tulong idea sa mga butang sila ang kalibuton sa mga paggamit. And later on, na-realize sa mga mamanwa dito nga, ang ref ay para amin na siya. Butangan ng mga food na para hindi mag-decompose. Makainan sila pagibog na, ang washing machine para laba, hindi siya sulang bugas, hindi siya sulang dito mga sundang, mga kamuti, anak. Mabagpo kayo ba, we have lots of money, na sila sa mining industry. Next, we have the historical. This is a systematic collection and objective evaluation of data related to the past occurrences in order to test hypothesis. Sa tanan ng mga case study, ang historical mo ay pinakasayon, but pinakalisod trabahoon. Kaya maunga kung yung data, kung gusto yung sa mga history ang yung mga gusto na. Like for example, there are still conflicting questions about who among from the two place, the Masawa, Amasaw, and Limasawa, kung asa yung nagikan ang first mass, asa gikan ang first mass, nagsugod. Asa nahitabo ang celebration sa first mass. Conflicting gahapon na siya karon nga mga issue. Kay buklaim ang Limasawa, buklaim ang Masaw, buklaim ang Butuan City. So, kung sa may basihan, the evidence. So, who among from these two places can submit the best evidence to create a systematic result for historical siya. Next, we have experimental. Okay. Experimental research refers to the inquiry of the cause and effect of the certain occurrences where the investigator observed a randomization and manipulation. So, sa experimental research, hindi siya pinakatakoy na trabaho. Why? Because you are going to select two groups. You have heard the control group and the experimental group. Okay. Okay. The next variable in the paradigm is the treatment, and O is the method, the test. Okay. So tiyan ito kinatibukan kung natin experimental group, ang mapili ta control group, ang step A. Experimental group, ang step B. So, kining control group na to, traditional right buhaton, klasika, traditional, maghatag ka og test, parehara gyapon sa test, ihatag nimo dito sa experimental group ng mga STEM big. So, ang mahitabo karon, you are going to give pretest. Then, pretest po dito sa mga experimental group. In a while, you are going to give treatment. Ano siya kung X? Maghatag ka dito treatment kay para mas mo engage mga bata, mas dako ang ilang academic performance. Okay? Then you are going to add post-test. Among the two groups, kinsa kay mas dako kayo og buwan? Score. Katong control group or katong experimental group? Kato yung experimental group. Kaya may treatment sila. Naghatag mo dito dito best ni mga teaching strategy. So paghatag mo karon ng post-test, you are pretty sure that those students will get high score during your assessment. Okay. In pre-experimental design, one-shot experimental case study. So, kung sa may mahitabo nimo, you have per X, the treatment, and post-test. For one group pre-test, post-test, so nakay pre-test, treatment, post-test, for sa specific group, katong imuhang control group, treatment, unya test. Dinhi walay treatment, walay kuhaton. Dito ka hatag og test. Apay. Sa may tabos mo sa diyan Then another set of paradigm. We have the pre-test, post-test control group. Kaya kung mag-gimon tagaina, then post-test only. Kini maghatag ang pre-test, post-test, din niya post-test na siya dito. Ano siya mga tendency sa experimental design na research. Then we have kini, muna pinakalindot sa tanan ng mga research design na experimental informed. Solomon for group are very commendable. Why? Because you are going to expose everything. Naakay pre-test, post-test, pre-test, treatment, post-test. Pwede po ka mag-pre-test, walay treatment, diretso ka post-test. Pwede po ka treatment, post-test, diretso po ka post-test. Muna siya pinaka-perfect kung gusto ka mag-experimental research. Upat ka sistema imong trabahoon. Sakto-sakto gina isa ka cooking na trabaho. Okay? Next, we have heard the quasi-experimental. Okay? The quasi-experimental is not randomly selected. So which means, katong uban ng